Curious about the magic of tarot? What are tarot card readings? Tarot cards are like mirrors reflecting your energies and emotions. It's like receiving a personal message from the universe. So, how does this work? Each card carries symbols, colors, and meanings. When laid out together in a spread, they form a narrative that reveals your inner hidden truths, future possibilities, and guidance for your journey. So, why get tarot card readings? Number one, to gain clarity. When life path seems foggy, tarot cards readings provide a lantern to illuminate your way. For your self discovery, explore the depths of your thoughts and emotions, uncovering layers of your true self. And for your future insights, peek into the potential outcomes and make empowered choices to shape your destiny. Ready to explore the world of tarot?